My name is Fawaz Jaafari and I'm a director at KoldKraft's Refrigeration Private Limited since more than a decade. Our company was founded in 1985. It's a family-owned company and we specialize in the manufacturing of refrigeration equipment, which includes cold storages, blast freezers, blast chillers, refrigerated trucks and water chillers as well. So previously, it's a old company. We have been in business since 3 decades. So obviously at that time, most of the systems were done manually. They were manual. We started working on manual registers and manual entries were done. So our workload was quite increasing and we were getting delayed in our operations as well. Like our invoicing was getting delayed, our production was getting delayed. With time we shifted to Excel when computers came in 90s, and then we had a software primarily for accounts and finance, similar to QuickBooks at the time. And the main challenge we were facing was that all the operations of a company are interlinked with each other. So having one part of the system digitized and with reporting and everything was not enough for me. So I wanted a system which could integrate all our business aspects into one simpler software. So I was desperately looking for this system, and especially the management part of the system, and I was talking to everyone about it, and I demoed some systems as well. So I was talking to one of my friends, and he suggested to look at Odoo, and the good thing about Odoo was that they give you a trial as well to check the product. So that's the first thing I did. I went home, I opened it up, I signed up for a trial, and when I used it, it was quite intuitive and it was easy to use, and it immediately got my attention. The complete movement of our products, right from the start, from the purchase till manufacturing and issuance from the store till delivery to the customer, and all parts of accounts and finance are being used through Odoo. We are also using the HR part of it as well. Everything is being reused through Odoo. So in the previous system, it was very limited to just accounts and finance, and we didn't have any live tracking of the movement of materials, and traceability was a very important factor for us. So we didn't have traceability of our products. So now with Odoo, we exactly know when did the product came in, when did the product went into the store, when did it go into the production, when did it get out of the gate. So the traceability is complete now. If you want to know one word which describes whole of this journey, I would say impactful. It was very impactful.